What's good, YouTube? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys 5 more credit unions that you can get approved for $20,000. Either it's credit card or even just a personal loan, guys. And some of these do have secured loans as well for personal and business reasons. And I'm going to be showing you guys how you can get a higher credit limit on these applications, guys. So we did have a part 1 of this series of 5 more credit unions that you can get $20,000 for with only a 640 credit score. Video was out yesterday, so this is part 2, man. And if you've seen part 1, you're aware one, and if you haven't, make sure you hit that subscribe button so that you can get updated on this daily investing content on how to get easy money, sometimes even free money. And guys, we just have a lot of exclusive investing tips over on YouTube, over on Black Investors Group. But with all that being said, let's get right into this video. 5 credit unions that will give you up to $20,000 with only a 640 credit score. Stay tuned for more after the intro. Woo! Before we start this video, don't forget to check out the links in the description, man, where you can get an online consultation with me over the phone, a one-on-one, and I will consult you on how to start your business up the easiest way possible, whether it's the trucking industry, whether it's online business, drop shipping stores, whether it's boosting your credit, guys, whether it's taking bad things off of your credit history. I can help you with all of that over on the Candlesticks/KINGLATTA link in the description. Also, guys, we do have the YouTube memberships for a very cheap price, and you can get exclusive investing content over there with no ads, no promo, and no flufftation, guys. So all straight to the point investing content. So check out that, as well as we do have a lot of ebook store where you can get step-by-step ebook tutorials on how to make this money the fastest way and the easiest way as possible. Back to the video. Woo! Alright, so over here, the first up, we have Community Credit Union in Florida, guys. This is a good bank, a good credit union. They have personal business, they have services and apps, they got all types of stuff over here, man. And what we're gonna click on right now is we're gonna go to the personal, because I know a lot of y'all probably don't have your business yet, but if you do, they do have the business as well. And they have business credit cards, they have checkings accounts, pretty much the whole things that banks offer, you know what I'm saying? But we're gonna go to the personal, and we're gonna go to apply for loan or credit card. So over here, guys, they do have 24-hour service, and you can simply open up an account or you can apply for a loan. So let's go right here to apply for a loan, and what you're gonna see is you're going to apply online right here. So we're gonna click this button, and then we're gonna get a personal loan. You want credit cards, you want a vehicle loan, or do you want home equity? So we're gonna go right here to regular personal loan, and then over here on personal loan, I want to show you guys how you can get a higher credit limit, a higher line of credit, and a higher loan amount, guys. So you will come to your personal. This is a line of credit. No, it's not. The loan amount, you would want $15,000, and then the term, you want to always pick the highest terms, guys. So you want to pick 60 months if they have a 60-month term, because now they know they can get more interest off of you, and your monthly payments will be lower. So it's kind of a win-win, even though you have to pay more money in the long run, but you're paying less per month. So over here, when it asks you about your financial information, this is all of your personal information, all of that good stuff. But when it asks you about your financial information, the key to getting a higher limit, guys, is you always want to put employed, even if you're self-employed, or even if you are a business owner, or even a or unemployed, guys. You never want to tell any lender that you're unemployed, but if you're self-employed, always just put employed, and then put that you are a CEO of company or something like that. Okay, so you want to put CEO of company, and then your employer, you would put your business name. So a lot of productions, because we do have a lot of productions. Check out the ebooks links in the description. Also, we have the YouTube memberships for a very cheap price. You don't want to miss out on any of this investment content. But yes, guys, monthly expenses, you want to put that as low as possible. So let's say your monthly expenses is $3,000. You want to cut that in half to $1,500, and then when it asks you about how much money you make, guys, guys, you always want to put that you're making a higher amount of money. So also for the employment duration, you want to put a long term. So let's just put a minimum of 3 years so that they can know you're dedicated, so that they can know that you are, you know, actually in that job working and not going to quit anytime soon. Because if you were there for only a couple months, then they're going to be like, dang, you know, you're probably not going to be there for a couple more months or years to pay us back. So you want to make them seem that you are dedicated to that company. And when they do ask you for how much money you make, your gross monthly income, this is monthly income before taxes. So let's say you make $48K a year, then guys, that would be around $4,000 a month. But you want to put your projected monthly income. So let's just say you're going to get a raise, guys. You want to say that you're making $5,000 a month. And then if you're not making that much money, let's just say you're making a regular boo-boo job, $2,000 a month, guys. Let's just say you're making that. What you want to say is that you're at least making, you know, $2,500 or $3,000 with side income. Okay, so you would go to this other income, and yes, guys, that's how they would know that you're making more money than what the loan amount requires. So for the second one, this is community credit, guys. So go ahead, apply for the loan with community credit, and I hope you learned something on how to get this loan, a higher amount, or credit card higher limit. And if you did, man, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button right here. So yeah, on to the second one. We do have Connect First Credit Union, and this is a 15-month redeemable GIC. Earn 5.50%, man. And guys, they have mortgages, they have the rates. Let's go to the rates real quick. Investing, foreign exchange, spend and save. Nah, that's not what we want to see. Let's go right back to personal. So over here, guys, you can get up to $2,000 cash when you open an online brokerage account. And over here, you know, that $2,000 is a good startup. And all you have to do is contact them and get their online banking and talk to them about their loan options. So if you go to the business side of things over here on this website, they also have the same thing. You could get unlimited business banking, and this is more so for a good credit card, guys, not really loan options over here for the Connect First Credit Union on personal and business. This is more so for credit cards, guys, not really for loans. So keep that in mind. So for the next one, we do have Broward Healthcare Federal Credit Union, and over here on Broward Healthcare, they have Zelle, all of that good stuff, you know, easy card info. And then you can apply for a loan right here. So let's just go to see how theirs works, and you can get credit cards, personal loans, vehicle loans. So let's go to these personal loans right here, because just because you're in a business, guys, doesn't mean that you can't take out a personal loan to help start your business. All right, because let's just say hypothetically your business does fail and you have this personal loan taken out. Your business is not necessarily in jeopardy. Your personal credit might go down a little bit because you can't necessarily pay that loan back. But guys, if your business is thriving because of your loan that you took out, then you will be able to get things in your business name. Okay, so you will be able to purchase cars in your business name until your personal credit builds back up. Because if you're a new business, you might not have any business credit to secure a loan. All right, you might not be able to get any type of funding except grants. And I do have this grant video right up in here in the corner, man. Make sure y'all go check that out on these easy grants that you can get, 5 amazing grants. But besides that, if you're not getting any grants, it's going to be hard for your business to get funding. So if you're just starting out, you might need to get this personal loan, and I don't think that's a bad idea at all, because, you know, like I said, you're paying back, let's say $400 a month. Your business just needs to make $400 a month so that your personal credit won't go in the hole. But if you do fail, your business can always back you up, because you're pretty much 2 people once you start that business. So now you can use your business credit and your business status to purchase vehicles or purchase a house or anything that you need. So over here for the next one, we do have All South Federal Credit Union. And over here on All South Federal Credit Union, guys, you can just put in your information. But let's refresh this page, because I don't know why they just taking me to the login, man. I don't know why they're just taking me to the login, but here we go right here. So we had to refresh. You can borrow up to $1,500 based off of eligibility. They do have 24/7 service, no credit check required. So this is one of the best ones that we have to share over here. They do have this cash please loan, and you you can get a small dollar amount short-term loan solution. So let's get started with that. And this is all the information that they need, guys. All the information that they need for you to create your account, and you can get this cash please loan up to $2,000, just quick cash, guys. And the APY is not even that much. So on to the next one. This is All South Federal Credit Union. Take a screenshot of that if you need to. But on to the last one, guys. We do have COPF Credit Union. All right, so over here we do have a bunch of options as well, and they do have credit cards from 10%, personal loans from 10.5% pretty much. And the credit cards, they do have 3 credit cards to offer. They have a student visa, they have the credit builder, and they have the platinum reward. So for most of my viewers, we're probably going to be getting this credit builder so we could build our credit, because my channel is mainly for new investors, new entrepreneurs, trying to make their way out. You know what I'm saying? We're trying to get out of this struggle. So make sure you guys hit that subscribe button right here so that you guys can be fulfilled on this daily invested content, so you can make the money the easiest way as possible. But yeah, they do have the student one with 17.9, guys. Wow, that's crazy. They're charging the students more than the regular people trying to build their credit or rebuild. So young adults 18 to 21, you're getting taxed on the interest, man. Just look at that. And as you can see, once you start making your way up in status in any venture, guys, it's gonna get easier. So once you start getting your credit up there, now you can see that you're getting an APR of 9%. So it's not bad at all. And you can get up to $5,000 with the credit builder and up to $1,000 with the student. So $1,000 isn't really nothing, and they're charging 18% pretty much, which is crazy. And yeah, guys, that's the credit card. So let's go to the personal loan. And once you see the personal loans, you can see that there is fixed terms up to 60 months. So like I said, you want to put the highest month term to pay it back, and you want to put back that you are getting paid more than what you're trying to receive, and 3 times over what you're trying to receive. So let's just say you want to 5%, you know what I'm saying, 12 months. Nope, we're gonna put 60 months, and look at that. You know what I'm saying? On a rate of 5% with $10,000, you're paying back $188 per month. So let's just say you wanted to get this $20,000. That's what this video is about, how to get 20K, and you want to get a 10%. Okay, so this is how we're gonna be looking. All right, and total interest is gonna be around $5,500. Guys, so that's crazy, but you know, it is what it is. If you want to get a free $20,000 up front, you're gonna need to pay back this $5,500 in the back end. All right, and so guys, that's just the total interest. The total payments will be 25, of course. You know, you just add the interest. But yeah, guys, they do also have this online banking, and actually you can't get to that right now, but yeah, you can just sign up for that. And I hope this video helped, guys. If it did, make sure you guys like and subscribe. Quick rundown real fast. We do have Community Credit Union, we do have Connect First Credit Union, we do have the Broward Healthcare, and we do have the All Please, and this All Please Cash Please on All South. I just messed that all up. This is called All South Credit Union, and you can get this Cash Please loan on here. And the last one, guys, was COPF. And if you stay tuned for yesterday's video, and the video literally was posted, you'll see the last video on here. If you go to my channel, depending on what time you're looking at this video, you can see that these are the credit unions that we went over in the last video. So you'll probably have to keep rewinding to get these, or you can just watch the video. But yeah, guys, these are the credit unions that you can get up to $20,000 as well. And I hope I'm going too fast, so you will have to watch the next video. But yes, guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. This is Black Investors Group, where we make investing easy. My name is KINGLATTA, and we signing out. Whoop!